Hello everyone, it's bundle time again at Tonic Studios, and today we've got 4 special bundles for you, all from our Craft Perfect range to take into the weekend, and they're all at 30% off. So what I'm going to do is just talk through them a little bit and let you know what is available on the store. So first of all, we've got the Woodland Greens. Now this is in a variety of different Craft Perfect cardstocks. You've got pearlescent there, you've got a glitter card as well, you've got a speciality card, and a classic card there, all in lovely green, different textures and tones there, a really beautiful set. Then this is Pastel Rainbow. Now this is the first time we've done a bundle in the 12 by 12, so yeah, it's a different shape card, but still those wonderful classic card colours in those soft pastels from orange all the way to pink there. Then next up we have got the Carnival, and it is the luxury embossed card. Now these are beautiful. Now you'll be able to see them closer up on the camera now. All that lovely embossed detail on there, perfect for adding flourishes to your projects and all that extra detail. It really, adds a sense of, well, luxury and wow to your projects. And finally, we've got a Craft Perfect adhesives bundle, and in there we've got dimensional foam pads in different sizes. We've also got double-sided adhesive sheets as well in there, and there's 5 sheets in there, and also we have got 2 different size rolls of double-sided tissue tape as well. All that for creating depth to your projects and loads of different cool techniques which you can only do with adhesive products like these. Now these are all available on the website, on the Tonic Studios UK and USA website until Monday, so get them while you can. They're 30% off and only for this weekend. So until next time, see you soon.